Oh, come on. Every tool's a hammer, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, come on. Just save this. Oh my God, if this has ever been you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Ah, you son of... Oh my God. Oh, got it. Oh, gross. Oh, and I bent the freaking pipe. Damn it. Oh, today's tip of the day. If you can't find your shop knife and you have extra blades laying around, vice grip is always a handle. Very nice. Hey, now we're cooking with gas. All right, very nice. Okay, again, we're gonna save this little cone-shaped rubber gasket plug type dealy-do. Come on, you son of a gun. There we go. All right, in with your friends. Now, the big reveal. What have we got inside here that I want so badly? Oh, the old Chrysler Mopar heater. This puppy, all sheet metal, blows hot air into the cab for your enjoyment. And it's covered in mouse poop. I'm probably gonna get the hantavirus, and that's fine. Take a little bite. Oh man, screw it. I think it's ready to transfer hot air into my cab. What do you say? Perfect. We'll just save this. So restoration, we're gonna rescue this. We'll reline that with fabric tape. Okay, one more. Oh yeah, perfect. This is road ready. If I could use my words like a regular human being who does restoration work. Oy, oy, oy. Awesome. Classic restoration walk around. Gonna show all the things. You listen. Ooh. ASMR, 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 ASMR. All right. Kind of cool. You can actually see on the front of this unit. It's got a very cool stamped piece, Mopar, and it says Truck Master. I can barely see. Maybe you can see it better than me. What does this say? Model T5. Interesting. Anyway, this is gonna look like brand new factory condition, or you'll find it in a dumpster somewhere. Not sure which yet, but stay tuned, you'll find out. They went with a really beautiful brown paint for these heating units. Got this nice, like an elephant trunk, which I'm into. Sort of, you know, maybe make a thing like this. I don't know, maybe I'll make elephant trunk masks for the coronavirus. I think that'll work. I don't know. Okay, we're done. Put it back in the truck now. Perfect. Oh, I'm just kidding, you guys. Here at Parts and Restoration, we take restoration very seriously. Which is why I'm shooting on my camera and giving commentary instead of being silent like you guys like. Guess what? It's not about you. ASMR, 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 ASMR. Ooh, found some aluminium here. Let's be honest. Who needs a vice when you got Red Wing? Am I right, fellas? Come on. Cool transition. So cool.
That's not good. Okay. Yes. Okay.
Okay, let's take a quick peek inside. Start getting her taken apart. So a little history on this bad boy. This came off of a 58 Dodge Power Wagon. These truck heaters were in a lot of these old trucks made by Dodge. And screwing with one hand is lots of fun. Quick cut. Don't lose the hardware. Put it next to the spoon for organization's sake. Let's see if we can just pry her right on it. Don't be afraid to be a little rough with her. Gotta show that Rust who's boss. Wow, look at that. Look at that original paint. It's factory new. Okay, so got solid metal. It's a good start. So when you give it a shake, and it makes that noise, that's how you know it's good. Yeah. So this little vent manifold here directs hot air to the defroster through those awesome, you know. If you're not using the defroster, you can pop this cool vent open and get a little nice hot air on your old dingly dangly footsies. Might be thinking to yourself, man, some of these other videos are high quality. What's going on with this? Well, left the old camera gear home and YouTube doesn't seem to want to pick up my videos, so I'm caring a little bit less, but that's okay. Still a restorationizer at heart. Let's get this old ventster off here. A little persuader right there, never hurt anybody. And we'll try and keep the screws, those screws organized so we don't lose them. Okay, next.
Imagine, this sheet metal thing is covered in fasteners. That's no good. I don't have time for all that. Let's some spot welds or some duct tape, something easy.
Oh, fancy trim, it's chrome. Teeny tiny sheet metal screws, times like a zillion. Oh, That is a satisfying restoration sound when a screw snaps. Oh, oh yeah. That screw hasn't been undone in many moons. Many moons, many moons. Okay. Oh. Fudge. Shizzle sticks. Oh, you son of a gun. All right. Little rascal. You have ways of making you talk. You little rat. See what we can do. If that don't work, we're gonna use this girl right here. 3-in-1 penetrating oil. Works okay. It's a little bit less messy than the aerosol types. I like it, but this will get her if that don't. Changed my mind on this because this is impact and this is teeny tiny rusty sheet metal that will just explode if I beat on it. So oh, made it look easy. Heat and penetrating oil when it comes to breaking apart difficult to loosen fasteners are your best friends. Take notes, people. Ooh, what shall they find inside? There. Please don't hurt. Eh, not too bad. Oh, one more fastener. Dang it. Okay, last fastener's out. Let's see what she's made of. Here we go. Back of the truck bed. I can use my hands. Okay, so this back housing just kind of slides right on up. Of course, I damaged this pipe earlier. Oh, my hammer's having a seizure over here. That's fine. Okay. Back housing. She's a, oh yes. She is very crusty, I like. I don't know why I'm doing restoration with Borat today. Jeez Louise. That's fine. All those things I'm supposed to say at the end of the video, you know what to do. Part 2 of the Mopar Truckmaster Heater series will be out in a few days.